My true Yarans, I stand before my politicians, but you elected a vision, a cure, a road to paradise. Viviro, created by our own brilliant scientists, the most effective treatment for cancer the world has ever seen. Grown within our precious tobacco, modified with the purest fertilizer, Viviro is the key to rebuild paradise. But our paradise comes at a cost. This our enemies will never understand. Yara did not elect me to do what's easy, but to do what's right. And so, with renewed focus, I must extend the draft to paradise. True Yarans from across our island, chosen to produce enough Viviro to heal the world and save our country. These lucky Yarans will be chosen by random lottery. Even my own son Diego will be drafted tomorrow.
Hey, Danny.
And like a true Yaran, he
Turn that shit off.
with a smile on his face.
Precisamente. Exactly what Castillo wants.
Enough politics, Lita.
You think the draft is only taking through Yarans? It's the outcasts, the poor, orphans like us.
He's bringing slavery back from the dead.
In Yara, you can't run from this.
Hang on. You ditched us. Ran off to the jungle with a bunch of guerrillas.
Libertad.
Now you're back here to recruit for Clara Garcia's local crusade? Come on, this is our big goodbye. Danny, fucking say something!
They got my name wrong.
Danny, you could help Libertad. You're trained.
Would have been career military if you weren't such a fuck-up.
Just come with us, Lita.
Aye, you never fucking listen, Danny.
Hey, time to go. Boss waiting. Drinks in Mexico.
Dinner in Miami. Coño! Fucking blackouts.
Too big for a blackout.
You fucking packing?
Oye, do you know what's going on?
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise.
What the fuck?
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise. Draftees must report
Alejo,
for duty.
get down.
You will join us to rebuild paradise.
Alejo!
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise.
We have to go. Now!
Draftees
The boat.
must report
You're
for
coming.
duty. You will join
Promise
us to
me,
rebuild
Lita.
paradise.
See. Come on, Danny.
Stay close, Lita. We have to get to the boat.
Okay, Danny.
When we get to Miami.
We'll say goodbye to Alejo. I promise.
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise.
Open up! This is the MOD!
Coño, get down.
There's nobody here.
FND, get out here!
We're looking for Danny Rojas!
Get this door open or we will both leave town.
Abre la puerta! We know you're in there, Rojas!
I'm warning you!
You want me to keep this in?
This won't end well!
Open up!
Don't make me do something we'll both regret!
This way.
Okay. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What the fuck? Come on! I have a family! Wait. No.
Come on, we gotta move.
We need to get across that square.
They're going to see us.
No, they won't. Trust me.
Any resistance will be met with lethal force.
That's a lot of soldiers, Lita.
So we take the sewers. Ready, Danny? Go! Get in the sewer.
Where the fuck are you taking me?
This is a career path from the 67 Revolution. Recognize the markings?
Yeah, from when we were kids.
You think you can... No!
This is so fucked.
Sergeant, do what you have to do.
All Yarans are subject to the draft. We are all
They went this way!
¿Qué coño?
I found them!
So much blood.
Castillo shows no mercy, Danny.
Almost there. The way out is up ahead.
Good. That boat's not going to wait for us. Shit, dead end. Animales.
Traitors! Pekiaran! I say you traitors! Soldiers! There's Pekiaran over there!
Stay with me, Lita. Shit.
Go, go, go!
Lita, zipline. Just like fucking boot camp.
Don't have these remain in your home. Esperanza is under lockdown by order.
Danny, you okay?
Yeah.
There's a terrorista in my
Sorry.
We don't
I
want
wasn't
any
here.
trouble.
Shit, Lita. Where are you? Torre de León. Castillo's fucking castle.
Danny, over here. Another zipline.
Where the fuck are the police? They're just letting the military kill us? La noche de la muerte. The boat's over there. Run!
Shit.
Keep moving, Lita. We're almost there.
Please! You have to let me on!
Please, we have to get on that boat.
Abuela, what the hell I'm gonna do with baseball cards?
Do you have any idea what these are worth? Let us through.
Oh, yeah. Marco! Always making new friends.
Danny, you're late. Where's Alejo?
He gave up his ticket. For his family.
Bullshit. Alejo is an orphan.
Alejo's not going anywhere anymore. Come on, Marco. Let them on.
Vamos.
Good man.
Boxing down.
Gracias.
Don't worry about it, chamaco.
Here. That's all I've got.
This isn't right, Danny. We should be fighting, not running to the young geese.
Alejo gave you a fucking gift, Lira. We survived. Same as the orphanage, same as the academy.
What's that?
Please, no, no, this is a piece of God. Reveal, no, no!
Before he was El Presidente, mi papa loved to fish. We would go out on a boat, just like this, and we would catch the fish and then release them. He would say, it's not always about your stomach, mijo. It's about the challenge. Except when he caught a big, fat, juicy marlin, he was too proud to let that fish go.
Si Tirano! You have poisoned Yara! You have poisoned your soul!
I have caught a very big fish today. Haven't I, Diego? Diego!
No way.
I have caught you, mijo. Now it's time to bring it home.
I don't want this anymore, Papa.
We have no choice.
Let them go. They can work. Make Viviro.
Truth or lies?
Truth.
They could be good workers. They could help rebuild paradise. But if you wanted them to live, you would have never set foot on this fucking boat. 13 years old. And Diego has such compassion for his people. These fish, we will catch and release.
What the hell just happened? We're fucked.
¡Vamos, vamos!
Lita!
I can't feel my legs.
Fuck, Lita. This is all my fault.
My phone.
Forget it, Lita.
My phone. This is the beach, Danny. It's fucking fake.
What?
She's hiding here. Clara, Libertad, Julio. Fuck, Julio. It's all here. Take my phone. Follow the code like when we were kids.
Stop it. Lita. Just wait. I'll find help.
No! You give her this. Clara will help you. Don't you get it? You're the lucky one, Danny. You're the lucky one.
Lo siento, Lita. so many dead. Coño. I really should check the beach for supplies. Shit. Pistol's empty. Need to find that camp. How the fuck is this still working? The markings must be the code Lita was talking about. Looks like I followed the blue to Libertad. Shit, who's shooting? Better stay quiet.
I swear, the Claren, that is the smell.
Coño,
Stink
a patrol.
like animals. I can smell it on your clothes, your sweat. It's the stink of the places, all rotten on the inside. How did I know you were scavenging for Libertad? I smelled it on you. That's why you died. Now I'm going to call you. You're going to be slowly eaten, bit by bit, by the birds and the crabs. You're...
I'm not the only one looking for Clara. What's this? Would be useful. Get to Libertad, steal a boat, sail the fuck out of Yara. Easy. And now I'm talking to myself. Perfecto. Oh, fuck. Bad time to be a guerrilla. Been a while since I used one of these. Clara doesn't want visitors. Gonna show your face before you shoot me? I'm Danny, a friend of Lita.
Silencio.
You are the only survivor? Answer me. I said, are you the only survivor?
See,
Lucky.
Need to know the risks.
that's all you have to say?
You're here. That's what matters.
Just a second, hermana. I'm getting the hell out of Yara.
But you're in my camp.
I need a place to stay. A few days.
Libertas no charity, hermana.
Lita said you'd help.
Lita also said you weren't a pussy.
Come mierda.
You're an orphan, see? Funny how friends can be closer than family. Remember, Danny, Castillo has kept you an orphan. Why do you want to run?
I watched Castillo order a whole boat of our people shot to death. Get as far away as you can from that psychopath. All of you.
When tyranny is law, revolution is order.
Quoting Bolivar won't save you.
It's Pedro Albizu.
Gonna save Yara with library cards.
I have a list. Free elections, free expression, free the outcasts. A Yara free of Castillos. Simple.
Simple. Castillo's got, what, 300,000 troops? I count 6 burnt-out guerrillas, and you, with a bullet to the leg.
You don't believe me? I'll show you. We launched an attack from our base to this island. It was a basic operation. Hit a Viviro tobacco plantation, snatch some fuel, and go home. But Castillo's forces were waiting. Got us down from 60 to 6.
You need to get back to your base.
Yes, but this island is surrounded by a blockade. We don't have boats, we don't have much gear. And we are not leaving until that Viviro plantation goes up in smoke. But we are guerrillas. We know this land inside out. You're already familiar with our guerrilla paths. They were built by the legends in 67. They're spread like a web across all of Yara. Now, they're ours. Guerrilla paths are good to ambush soldados or to hide if the army is on your back. They have caches that will help you survive.
And all of this is legit? This map is old as hell.
Made for turistas. Yeah, it's out of date, but you got the regions, municipalities, and landmarks of Yara. You'll get used to it. Now I need to call in some favors with the locals to get us a boat, and you need to go find me Juan Cortez.
Who?
Someone who can make one guerrilla fight like 1,000.
You know I'm not a guerrilla, right?
Tell Lita that.
I'll give you food, a bed, even a goddamn boat to sail to the Yankees. But it's gonna cost you bullets and blood. You can shoot, so shoot. Settle in, and let me know when you want to pay your rent.
Hey, Juan.